Growing tomatoes from seeds is an exciting and rewarding way to produce fresh, delicious tomatoes at home, whether indoors or outdoors. At our channel MTECHD, we'll take you through every step to ensure your tomato growing success. Start by choosing high-quality tomato seeds, and for beginners, consider easy-to-grow varieties like Roma, Cherry, or Beefsteak. To begin, you'll need seed trays, small pots, or any shallow containers with good drainage holes. Fill them with a light, well-draining seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and gently cover them with soil. Water lightly to moisten the soil without oversaturating it. Place the containers in a warm spot where the temperature stays between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, to encourage germination. You can also use a heat mat for consistent warmth. In 7 to 14 days, the seeds will sprout, and you'll see small seedlings emerge. Once the seedlings develop 2 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into individual pots filled with nutrient-rich potting soil. Make sure they receive at least 8 to 10 hours of bright light daily, either from a sunny window or under LED grow lights. Water consistently, keeping the soil evenly moist but not soggy, and fertilize every 2 weeks with a diluted liquid fertilizer to support growth. As the plants grow taller, you can replant them deeper into larger pots, burying part of the stem to encourage stronger root development. If growing outdoors, harden off the seedlings by gradually introducing them to outdoor conditions over 7 to 10 days before transplanting them into a garden bed. Tomatoes grown from seeds offer better variety selection, healthier plants, and the joy of seeing your garden flourish from the very beginning. With patience, care, and a bit of attention, you'll soon be enjoying homegrown tomatoes that are fresher, tastier, and more rewarding than anything store-bought. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel MTECHD for more gardening tips and tricks to help you grow your own food.